A new axis of military power? Russia and China collaborate on a deadly new frontier. The White House has voiced grave concerns over Russia's collaboration with China in developing long-range attack drones. According to a recent report, Russia's IMZ Kupol has been producing the Garpia 3 drones with Chinese assistance. These drones can travel 1,200 miles and carry up to 110 pounds of payload. The international community is on edge, as this partnership suggests a potential shift in global military alliances. While China denies any involvement, the evidence points to a deepening collaboration between the two nations. The U.S. National Security Council has highlighted the risks, noting that China must prevent its firms from supplying lethal aid. Despite no direct evidence of China's government involvement, the concerns are clear. This development intensifies the geopolitical chess game, with potential sanctions on the horizon. As the world watches closely, the implications for the Ukraine conflict and global stability are profound. How will this new alliance shape the future of warfare? Only time will tell.